Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Want to start trading on Plus 500 but don't know where to begin? In this video, I will walk you through how to use the Plus 500 trading platform step by step, even if you are a complete beginner. If you are looking for a user-friendly platform to trade stocks, Forex, crypto, commodities, and CFDTS, CFDS plus 500 is one of the most popular options out there. Today, I will guide you through how to use it from signing up to uh, placing your first trade. Let's dive in. First of all, go to plus500.com and click Start Trading at the top right corner. You can sign up using your email or log in with your Google account. Now choose real money or demo mode. For this tutorial, I will choose demo mode. Now enter your email and create a new password or continue with your Google account for easy access. Make sure you select the correct regions as same instruments vary by country. Once you are logged in, you can choose to start a demo account or a real account. I recommend trying out the demo first. You get virtual money to practice trading without any risk. Switch between demo and real anytime by clicking the toggle at the top of the screen. Now explore. Now explore the main dashboard. Go to your dashboard. It's look like that. In the left side bar, you will find trading categories like Forex, indices, crypto, shares. In the center, you will in the center, you will see live market data. At the bottom, there's your open positions, orders, and trade history. And on the right side of the screen, a detailed chart of the selected assets. Click on any asset from example USDT or Euro. Add a chart appears on the right and a chart appears on the right. You can switch between line, bar or candlestick charts. Use built-in tools to add indicators like RSI, moving average, and Bollinger bands to improve your analysis. When you are ready to trade, click the buy or sell button. A trade window pop-ups. You can enter the amount or number of units. Set stops lose to limit your losses. Set take profit to automatically close with gains. Use guaranteed stop extra fees, extra fee to avoid slippage during market volatility. Click open trade and your goes live. Now go to the open positions tab to track your trades. You can close a trade, manually edit your stop loss or take profit levels or add more to your position if needed. When you are ready to go live, click Funds on the left menu. You can deposit using credit card, PayPal, bank transfer, Skrill, and more. For withdrawals, just go to the same section and follow the steps. Usually takes 1 to 3 business days. Here are a few beginner tips. Always use stop loss. It protects you from big losses. Don't over leverage. Plus 500 offers up to 1 is to 30 leverage, but that can go both ways. Use the demo account to practice different strategies before risking real money. Read the market sentiment tool to see what other traders are doing. Pros of Plus 500 user-friendly interface, free demo account, wide range of assets, risk management tools, mobile and web app access, no commission trading. Cons of Plus 500 CFD only platform, no MetaTrader support, limited research tools, inactivity fee, leverage risks, not available in some countries. Users in the US and certain other countries cannot use Plus 500 due to regulations. And that's how to use the Plus 500 trading platform. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more trading tips, tutorials, and leave a comment below if you have any questions. Trade smart, and I will see you in the next time. Thanks for watching.